Alright, you can see I've been getting some blooms on my roses, but I want to go ahead and prune them down to about here or so. Let's chop it all up here, do some winter pruning. Let's go ahead and get started. Transplant this grapevine. It's the end of January. Come here, Teddy. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this to the bottom a little bit. A little bit at the bottom. Get out of the way, Teddy. That. So dry. So get this out of the way before spring starts. You can see a couple of these laterals, I think they're called. Got some green growth still on upper areas. I'm just gonna let this go for to the spring and see what happens. And there's actually some blooms there. We'll see what happens.